Hi, I'm Taryn Grome, editor of PharmaVOICE magazine, on the floor of the 2010 DIA annual meeting, and I'm here with Matthew Stumm and Joan Bachenheimer from BBK.
Joan and Matthew, thank you for joining us for our Editor's Take video program here at the DIA conference. First question is, let's talk about how consumer-centric technology such as Apple's iPad can be used to facilitate the myriad processes necessary to recruit and manage patients for global clinical trials.
Well, to start with that answer, I have a visual aid. And this is a typical investigator meeting binder, and it's about 12 pounds, and it's really difficult to manage and costly to ship all around the world, and it's used for a day and often tossed. And so the challenge to us was, how do you take what's now being introduced in the marketplace as a toy and really convert it into a tool? And that was the goal of us using iPad technology to house really the avalanche of information that surrounds managing a clinical trial, and particularly around managing patient recruitment. So we've developed not only ways of capitalizing on the iPad sort of one-touch technology, but we've also developed at BBK Worldwide applications that allow sponsors the capability to get enrollment data at one touch, all of their document management at another touch, their monitors know where all their sites are located at another touch. So it really is taking the study community construct and making it portable. And that's really what we've done. So Matt has a view of what we've put together for the iPad.
And I think that to add to what Joan was saying is that the speed at which these studies are conducted, the information is updated on a constant basis, and you need a tool that can quickly disseminate that information to the particular parties that need it the most. But you also need a central location where they can access that information. There's so many disparate systems when conducting a study that a handheld device, mobile technology, inherent in the iPad would, one, make your study branded among the sites that you're using, keep it top of mind, and also show your commitment to the innovation that you are doing in medicine through the technology that you're implementing to conduct the trial itself. One of the things that we try to do with the iPad is categorize the information so that it's easily accessible to the people that need it the most. At the bottom in the doc, we have the vital information that it takes to conduct the study, from whether it's a study website to Trial Central Net, our proprietary web-based recruitment management system, email, every single contact for your study at the touch of a one button, where you can access them via email through the system, telephone numbers, mapping software. So really capitalizing on the Apple iPad itself, but taking our 30 years of experience and bringing that into this technology.
We have sponsors that we're working with where they're looking at franchise-level programs, either within a disease category or within a therapeutic area, or within multiple studies that they're doing with one compound. And their monitors really have to very quickly and easily differentiate one study from the other on a constant basis. So, let alone change management. Here it's push technology. We have one server, we have all the data on that server, and if something changes, we can push that up to the community at a moment's notice. So it takes sort of everything that you have in terms of websites and web technology, and it doesn't make you have to redo anything. It says, hey, in this click I can connect to our website. In this click I can get to our proprietary company reports. In this click, I can get through the training module that my company has created for me to be able to differentiate. So that's another really nice thing about it, is that we're not saying recreate the wheel. We're saying provide the right data to people at the right time and give it to them in a convenient, sort of easy to use modality.
I think that one major issue that surrounds any clinical study that we're working on in terms of a franchise level program is cost efficiencies. How can we streamline the process, get the materials out there in a timely manner, and get it out there as cost effective as possible? Now, this will not replace paper. It's not meant to replace paper. This is meant to speed the information to the people who need it most. You know, whether it's through social media channels, traditional media, whether it's just via email, having all of it centralized in one single location is imperative to making these studies happen in the most streamlined fashion. Cost is always an issue, and that's one of the reasons why we're pushing towards this model of franchise level patient recruitment for a single therapeutic area for multiple protocols. You know, capitalizing on the work that's already been done and using it for the next study that's right on its heels.